Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Elizabeth, and I have a question for you today. What is your money-making superpower? We talk a lot about financial education and wealth building and becoming the person you're meant to be and living a happier and healthier life. But what is your money-making superpower? Because we need money. We need money in this world to survive, to thrive, and to live whatever lifestyle we want to live and to give however much we want to give to ourselves, to our family, and to other people. And so start thinking about that, because I will do a video on Ikigai and how to use Ikigai to find something that you will enjoy doing, that you're passionate about, that you're meant to do, but also that serves others and makes money. That is a key way to start. Find that Ikigai. But what is your money-making superpower? And maybe that's found within the Ikigai. So check that out, and maybe I'll put a free template on Ikigai and doing that exercise below. But what is your money-making superpower? What are you good at? So ask yourself, what are the things you enjoy? What are the things you're actually good at? It could be anything. Are you good at video games? Are you good at writing? Do you just talk and talk and talk and seem to have endless ideas in your head? Like, what are the things that you're good at? So I would encourage you to write a list down of the things that you're good at. I would also encourage you to write a list of the things that the world needs. What are some problems in the world? What do they need? I would also encourage you to write about what you actually enjoy doing. So maybe what you're good at, like some kids are really good at math, but they hate it, right? So what do you actually enjoy doing? And then lastly, what can you get paid for? So what are things that you could get paid for? And so in this exercise with the Ikigai, you will find your money-making superpower. You will find it. And you will also be happier and healthier, right? And so I know with me, like, I love to teach. I love to learn information. I love to help other people. I like to motivate, encourage, and inspire and be there for people and serve them. And there's a lot of things, like, people need to know how to make more money. People need to know that they're capable. People need to know that strategies to be healthier and to take care of themselves and how to be successful, because we're all just people. And it's all your habits. What are the habits, the mindsets, and the things that you need to be successful? And so all those things are linked into potentially what could be my money-making superpower if I figure out how to use it, right? And so figure that out and find that out for yourself. I hope this exercise is helpful to you. It is okay to find, hey, what industries make a lot of money? Hey, what jobs can make a lot of money? What are the higher income jobs? But I also, if you actually want to enjoy yourself along the way, then maybe finding the Ikigai and going into your Ikigai could be a more useful tool. But don't be afraid. If you're just like, you know what, I just want to make a lot of money, I don't care what I do, I don't care, then go that path too. But if you can tap into your money-making superpower and it aligns with what the world needs, it aligns with a problem, it aligns with an industry that is just exploding, then maybe you will find your path. And so Cody Sanchez actually just posted a video on window cleaning, and I feel free to check that out. But it's a $1 billion industry, and there were like 12,000 companies. It's a $1 billion industry, and there's only 12,000 companies. There's not a lot of competition there. And so maybe you're like, my passion's not window cleaning, but hey, I'm going to go set that up. It costs less than $5,000 to get started, and I could go just clean windows commercially or for people. And so start thinking about things and finding markets that there's an opportunity in. Like, maybe washing windows is not your calling. Like, I had friends, her and her brother actually did a window cleaning business over the summer, and it wasn't anything crazy or elite, but it made them a good amount of money. And so find those little gaps in the market if that's your direction. And maybe you could combine that with your Ikigai as well, but also go to that Ikigai, because I think that is where you will really use your gifts and you'll actually get more enjoyment. Like, I probably wouldn't like washing windows and cleaning them as much as I would the other things, but maybe I could be the one who employs the other people. I purchase it. I have enough money and capital to be able to start the company. I own the business. And so I don't actually have to do a lot of the work. I could hire a manager. I could hire people to actually do the work, and then they go make money. And then I take a portion of the profits, right? And so I don't actually have to go wash windows. So that's different, because then I'm not putting my time and energy into that. And then I could put my time and energy into other things. So lots of things to think about here. Sorry if that was a little bit rambly, but I just wanted to share how you can find your superpower. Like, you all have a superpower. You all have things that are unique and special about you. How can you use those things to make money? How can you just do those things in general? But if you could find a way to help it make you money, then you're going to be unstoppable. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, what's your Ikigai? What are the things that you feel called to? What's your money-making superpower? What are the industries that you see that there's a gap in, a hole in? And so go for it. Even if there's not a gap, how can you be a unique and special brownie that Jesse Itzler talks about, being the unique person? So don't just be a regular brownie. Brownies are delicious, and I'm sure your mom makes like the best brownies in the world. But how can you be that different brownie? How can you be that unique person in the market? I hope this video is helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more. Find that superpower. You have it in you. I know you do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. You got this.